Hi, I'm Seth Browning. I'm the owner of Browning Construction. I'm excited to show you a project that we completed this last year and introduce you to the customers as well.
How was your experience with Browning Construction as a whole?
Good.
Very good.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, you know, we lived here at the time, so that was kind of added to it, just the stress of trying to live here. But everybody was very professional and very kind and nice to work with, and Seth really managed them well.
How did Seth perform when there were setbacks?
Great. I mean, he's so even-keeled. You can tell he has a lot of experience in building, and there's nothing that he hasn't seen or experienced. And so, and he always encouraged us and said, you know what, regardless of what happens, I have your back, and it proved to be so true. I mean, he was there and supported us and took care of us every step along the way when things didn't go as planned.
Would you recommend him?
5-star. 5-star.
5-star.
5-star.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, in fact, I'm trying to get jobs lined up for him because it was just such a great experience, and you know, he did such a great job. So, yeah, I want everybody to use him.